All right, guys. Once again, thank you for joining in, guys. Really excited once again today. Just got this special delivery. So let's see what's in there today. All right. I think I know what's in it, but I'll keep a surprise for you guys. All right. Let's see. All right, guys, look at this. Yes, finally, I got this MX Master 3S. I've been a big fan of these Logitech MX Master mouse. I've been using this since the first series. I've had the MX1, then the MX2, and I'm super excited about this MX3 3S. The one that I was using before, for some reason, it stopped working, and I'll show you what went wrong with that one, actually. As a matter of fact, I have it right here. So before I talk about it, let me just tell you what's going on with these. So I've been using this MX1 for a while, and you can see right here, this thing broke. It actually, I was trying to fix it, and I broke it. Basically, it stopped moving the cursor up and down, and I found out that you have to, take the screws out of these things in the back, and then loosen a screw over here. So I tried to lose the screw, and when I was trying to close this back up, like I say, I've been using it for a long time as well, but this had a fair share of its own use, so I thought this was about time for me to upgrade. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So let's see, guys, what's in the box. All right, here we go. Whoa. All right. Before we talk about the mouse, then there's a small USB, the universal Logitech USB thing. Cable. All right, that's just a box. Let's see what kind of cable. All right, USB-C cable, standard USB cable, guys. So that's some heating material. We don't really care about that. All right, let's go with the mouse, guys. Let's take a real quick talk about it. So pretty nice feeling. I think the changes I'm seeing already over here is about this thing. As you can see, there's a little gap in this one. The other one did not have that kind of a gap in there. So as you can see right here, look at this. The other one, this is one. I also have a 2. I can check and see with the other one whether there was a gap in it or not, but I don't remember having a gap right here like that. The side wheels are pretty standard, same thing. Good feeling, pretty nice feeling on the mouse as well. And then in the back right here, same thing. You can have 3 connections. That's the one thing I like about these mouses is you can turn it on, have a Bluetooth connected, and you can have 3 computers to connected with 1, 2, 3, and that's what I really like about these mouse. This is by far my favorite mouse, guys. I've been using these mouse for 15 years now, 10, 15 years. And like I said, in 15 years, I've only changed once. I've had the Mode 2X still working, and now this is the 3.1. So let me know if you guys have any questions. Like I said, pretty excited about this. Thank you. And let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you.